Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever formatted your PC and then run into this nightmare? No Wi-Fi, no sound. In this video, I'm going to show you a built-in Windows method for backing up all your drivers before you format. Okay, so let's start the process. At first, plug a USB drive or an external hard disk and connect it to your computer. Once your USB is connected, open it in File Explorer and create a new folder inside it. You can name it anything you like. I'm going to name it Restore Drivers. Now, make sure you remember the exact location of this folder, specifically which drive letter is your USB assigned. Click the Start menu and type CMD in the search bar. Wait for the export to complete. Don't close the window or disconnect the USB while it's working. Your driver backup is now safely sitting on your USB drive. Each one contains a specific driver for your system. Wi-Fi, audio, chipset, it's all there. Your backup is done. Restoring your drivers. Right-click on that computer name and select Add Drivers. A new window will pop up. Click Browse and navigate to your USB drive. Then select the drivers folder we created earlier. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying my videos and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Your support means a lot and helps me keep creating great content for you.